morning, children. Let's continue our topic of small business. We had seen the definition, what do we mean by small business, and we had also studied the classification of a small business as given by MS Micro and Small, Micro, Small, and Middle Enterprises Development Act, that is MSMED. So, as per MSMET, they have been classified as micro. Small business can be classified as micro, small, and medium enterprises, and there we can have both types of enterprises, manufacturing as well as service. And on the basis of capital invested, they can be classified into different groups. So that was about the small business. Let's now try to see its nature. So their main characteristics are, first is personal character. We know that a small business, it requires very little investment, less investment, and very few people are involved. People usually, they make use of their own talents, their skills, their learnings, and they can have such a setup of a small business. They would usually not employ anybody. People involved in a small business would be family members, or I mean, the close acquaintances, friends, etc. किसी को ऐसे एम्प्लॉय नहीं किया जाता, जॉब देकर नहीं रखा जाता. तो दिस टाइप ऑफ बिजनेस, दिस टाइप ऑफ एंटरप्राइज हैज़ अ पर्सनल कैरेक्टर. एक पर्सनल, लाइक यूजुअली दे आर सोल एंटरप्राइजेस. एक ही आदमी उसको मैनेज करता है या फिर दो तीन लोग पार्टनरशिप में करते हैं. उसका वैसा सेटअप नहीं होता जैसे लार्ज ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस का होता है, जिसमें एक पूरी हिरार्की होती है, एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल स्ट्रक्चर होता है, डिफरेंट लेवल पर डिफरेंट एम्प्लॉयज़ होते हैं. वैसा स्ट्रक्चर नहीं होता है. इट हैज़ अ पर्सनल कैरेक्टर where the person owning that enterprise or the business would himself be running it, or a few more people who are very close to that person. Second one is independent management. As I said, that it has a personal character. Outsiders or people from outside are not employed in such enterprises. So management is independent. There is no interference of anybody from outside, and neither do they employ any management from outside. किसी भी तरह का बाहर का कोई रोल नहीं होता है. कोई प्रोफेशनल मैनेजर्स एम्प्लॉय भी नहीं किए जाते हैं, और ना ही किसी और को रिपोर्टिंग होती है. जो खुद ओन कर रहे हैं एंटरप्राइज, दे वुड बी लुकिंग आफ्टर द ओवरऑल मैनेजमेंट. लिमिटेड इन्वेस्टमेंट, वी हैव सीन कि डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स ऑफ एंटरप्राइजेस में कितना कितना इन्वेस्टमेंट होता है एज पर द गाइडलाइन लेड डाउन बाय MSMET. तो इन्वेस्टमेंट इज क्वाइट लेस, क्वाइट लिमिटेड इन सच enterprises. Next is simple technology. इसमें इन्वेस्टमेंट कम होने की एक वजह ये भी होती है कि दे डू नॉट यूज़ एनी ऑटोमेटेड लाइक इक्विपमेंट और एनी सोफिस्टिकेटेड टेक्नोलॉजी. जो इन लोग के जो इस तरह के एंटरप्राइजेज में, इस तरह के सेटअप में जो टूल्स और या जो भी मशीन्स यूज़ होती हैं, दे आर मोस्टली इंडिजिनस इन नेचर. इंडिजिनस टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज़ करके ये बिज़नेस सेटअप किए जाते हैं, और इसमें कोई बहुत मशीनरी, मैकेनिकल, मैकेनाइज्ड इक्विपमेंट्स का यूज़ नहीं होता है. Local area of operations, the raw material and other materials which are used in such setups, they are usually procured from nearby areas, from a particular region. So they are localized in nature. ऐसा नहीं है कि उनको बाहर से कहीं से कुछ सामान मंगाना है, और they have to create a network to collect all the materials which they require for their business operations. They would usually depend on the resources which are available in their own locality. So this was about the nature of small business. Let's now see the administrative setup. स्मॉल बिजनेस के लिए हमारे गवर्नमेंट में जो हमारा है उसमें क्या इनका सेटअप है. सो देर आर टू बॉडीज़ ऑफ आर गवर्नमेंट. हमारे सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के दो मिनिस्ट्रीज़ हैं which look after the operations of small scale industries, SSI, small scale industries, which are which contribute to our overall economy of our nation to a great deal. So government too has to look after the development of such small business units, and they try to provide, they extend support and cooperation to such small scale units, so that they can contribute to the nation's economy. So there are two such ministries, two such bodies of the government which look after, which see development of such small business in our country. They are Ministry of Small Scale Industries, and the other one is Ministry of Agricultural and Rural Industry. So this Ministry of Small Scale Industries, that is basically a nodal ministry for formulation of policy and coordination of central assistance for promotion and development of small scale industries in India. So central government का एक part जो कि assistance provide करती है, and it helps in the promotion and development of small scale industries in India. Next one, Ministry of Agricultural and Rural Industry. This is a nodal agency for coordination and development of village and khadi industries, tiny and micro enterprises in both urban and rural area. Let's now discuss the role of small business in India. First one is employment. They play a big role in generating employment. Like large scale industries जो हमारे country में हैं, they usually require highly skilled and qualified staff. So a major part of our population, they do not find their place in large industries, since the people from rural areas, they are not highly skilled, they are not trained, they are not even educated. So such small setups, small business, they provide employment to such people with limited means, जिनके पास बहुत ज़्यादा they do not have huge financial sources, and they do not even have education and professional qualifications for getting involved, getting absorbed into the job market. तो वो अपना इस तरह सेटअप करके प्लस आसपास की और लोगों को भी इन्वॉल्व करके दे बिकम अ ग्रेट सोर्स ऑफ प्रोवाइडिंग एम्प्लॉयमेंट. So small scale business, they constitute the most popular occupation of people in India. Next is balanced regional development. Small scale industries, they promote decentralized development. Decentralized development means कि ऐसा नहीं है कि किसी एक particular region में, particular area में development होगा, और जो rural areas हैं उनको बिल्कुल वो neglected रहेंगे, वहाँ पर किसी तरह का development नहीं होगा. तो इस तरह के small business, small units के प्रमोशन से ये रूरल एरियाज़ में, विलेज एरियाज़ में डेवलप होकर हमारा ओवरऑल कंट्री के डेवलपमेंट को एक न्यूट्रलाइज करते हैं, एक डिसेंट्रलाइज करते हैं. And such decentralization, this is very useful for the process of self-sustained growth, and it avoids concentration of industries in particular areas. And by providing employment in rural areas, these small business, they help to check migration and overcrowding in urban areas. Because क्या होता है कि rural areas से अगर लोगों को वहाँ काम नहीं मिलता है, तो they would run towards the big cities. वहाँ पे जॉब के चक्कर में, वहाँ काम के चक्कर में हम देखते हैं कि कितना माइग्रेशन होता है रूरल एरियाज से, और उसका रिज़ल्ट क्या होता है कि अर्बन एरियाज़, बिग सिटीज़, दे गेट ओवर क्राउडेड. वहाँ डिफरेंट टाइप के इश्यूज़ पैदा हो जाते हैं ओवर क्राउडिंग होने से. तो हम इस तरह के स्मॉल बिजनेस, स्मॉल यूनिट्स रूरल एरियाज़ में और सब जगह इस्टेब्लिश होने से लोग वहीं रुकेंगे, वहीं पर अपने लिए खुद लिविंग जनरेट कर सकते हैं, एंड दैट विल रिजल्ट इन सेल्फ सस्टेन ग्रोथ ऑफ आवर कंट्री. Next is mobilization of local. Okay. Next one is optimization of capital. Small scale firms, they require less capital per unit of output. जैसे बड़े जो हमारे इंडस्ट्रीज़ हैं उसमें तो कैपिटल की रिक्वायरमेंट बहुत ज़्यादा होती है प्रोडक्शन के लिए. प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट इज़ रियली वेरी हाई बिकॉज दे एम्प्लॉय अ बिग स्टाफ, मैन पावर का जो यूज़ होता है. उसके अलावा लाइक ऑटोमेटेड मशीनरीज and highly sophisticated technology and like costly power supplies and all that, ये सब का यूज़ होता है. तो उसमें जो हमारा आउटपुट होता है उसकी कॉस्ट बढ़ जाती है. आउटपुट की कॉस्ट बढ़ जाती है, कैपिटल ज़्यादा होता है और आउटपुट जो फिर आएगा उसकी कॉस्ट पर यूनिट आउटपुट वो बढ़ जाता है. बट इन स्मॉल स्केल बिजनेस with less input, less capital input, we can have big output. आउटपुट का हमारा जो रेशियो रहेगा वो ज़्यादा रहेगा. with little investment, with small investment, we can have more output. Next is mobilization of local resources. So these small business, small scale industries, they are very helpful in making in utilizing the local resources available. जैसे हमने पढ़ा था विलेज इंडस्ट्रीज में making use of cane and other forest products and like coir. They can make so useful and so nice articles which are used everywhere. So these kind of local resources, local skills, they get mobilized, they get utilized, they get optimized. उनका utmost utilization हो जाता है which would otherwise go waste. अगर इन स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज़ में यूज़ नहीं उनका होता है तो फिर वो बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो शायद वेस्ट हो जाएं उनका फिर कहीं, क्योंकि लार्ज इस इंडस्ट्रीज़ में दे वोंट फाइंड देयर प्लेस. नेक्स्ट, एक्सचेंज अर्निंग्स. Small scale industries, as per the survey, they account for 45% of the total exports from India. You must have seen handicrafts and all, they are usually exported and they are liked in European countries and other countries. They are purchased at quite high prices over there because they are really liked by the people, and home decor items and many other things are there, handicrafts, which are export in good quantity. So that way they bring foreign currency to our country. तो इन स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज़ की जो ये प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं, दे आर एक्सपोर्टेड एंड दे हेल्प टू जनरेट फॉरेन करेंसी. नेक्स्ट, egalitarian society. These small scale industries, they help in reducing the concentration of economic power in few hands. Like economic power ऐसा नहीं है कि that would be concentrated only in the hands of big businessmen. These small setups, they provide an opportunity to the people to have to provide equitable distribution of national income, and they provide employment. They become a means of earning for so many people. Next is feeder to large industries. These small scale industries, they produce number of items. They may produce various types of components, spare parts, tools, accessories, which are required by large scale sector. जो बड़ी इंडस्ट्रीज़ में, लार्ज प्रोडक्शन में, बड़े चीज़ों की प्रोडक्शन में जो स्मॉल पार्ट्स यूज़ होते हैं, दे मे बी प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय दीज स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज. Thus, they may serve as a feeder to large industries. Next, social advantage. Small scale units, they offer opportunity for an independent way of life to people with small means, जिनके पास बहुत means नहीं हैं, they do not have they are not very qualified, or they do not have like a big sum of money to invest in a big business. So these small scale industries, they provide an a good opportunity for them. They help to raise per capita income and standard of living in the country. So these are some important roles which these small business they play in developing our country economically. So this is all for today. Tomorrow we'll be discussing the problems which are faced by small business in India. So this is all for today. Have a nice day, children.